one is three. So show you the blue molding machine. So this one is one blue molding machine in our customer factory. You can see this is the whole line. This one is the main machine to make the like jerry cans and the bottles. The upper one is the automatic material filter to filling the materials into the machine. Beside the rotary blue molding machine is the chiller. The chiller is used for cooling the mold, the water pipe. The water pipes, the cooling water inside the mold to cooling the mold, because after long time use the mold is hot. Without cooling, the products cannot form. Beside another side is the mixture. This one is the mixture. If you want to make colors, you can put the color granule into the raw materials. Then the machine will rotary to mixing the materials. After this, the materials will fill into the box. With this is the automatic filter. The material will go up the hopper. This one is the automatic filter. Then the materials will go into the stream with the heating. Then the molding head will come off the raw material too. And this one is the crusher. If you have some waste parts, like this, if this one is broken or damaged, the waste part, you can put into the crusher. Then the products will crush it into the pieces. Will make the waste parts into pieces. Then this parts can go to the blue molding machine to reuse, to make sure there are no waste. Also, the production line also need induction machine. The induction machine is to make the caps. To make the caps, every bottle have the caps, so you also need the injection machine to make the caps. If like this kind of bottle, it also need a cutting machine to cutting the head. So if you want to run a factory, you need to buy these machines. This is the production line for blue molding process. So this one is the process for blue molding machine. So if you have